Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can download and install WhatsApp on your Windows 11 machine. It's actually quite straightforward. There's two different methods to this. So as I get into it, and if it does solve your problem, smash a like button, subscribe for more, and let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first method to installing WhatsApp on your machine or Windows 11 computer is to actually navigate down to the search bar, or if you have it pinned on your taskbar at the bottom here is the Microsoft Store. I've got it pinned, but we'll just search for it just to keep things nice and simple. I'm going to type the word store in there. You'll see Microsoft Store. We'll go ahead and we'll click that open. It's going to open up Microsoft Store. Now, I am, of course, signed in already. You guys will obviously need to sign in if you haven't done so already. But what we'll do is at the top here, we can search for WhatsApp. So we'll go ahead and type in WhatsApp. You can see that it will come up straight away with an app here. We're going to go ahead and click that, and here you can have the ability to click get and download and install it. Okay, this is one way of doing it. It's not my preferred way, but if you have Microsoft Store, you're signed in and you're using this and it works for you, great, let's do that. But I'm going to also go ahead and use Chrome. Okay, so we're going to focus in on Google Chrome. We're just going to Google up WhatsApp, and you can see here that we have web.whatsapp.com, and we can see we have the ability to download WhatsApp. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click into WhatsApp. There's actually a few different ones on here that we can kind of focus in on, and you want to make sure that you're using the correct links. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use WhatsApp just here. We're going to click into this. It's going to load this up here, and you can see that you can download WhatsApp for Windows, and you can log into WhatsApp on the web using the QR code. We're going to click on the download button. This is my preferred method just simply because Windows is great for the exe executable kind of files. Once that is done, we can go ahead and navigate over and find the download folder. We'll go grab that, and we can just double click into the WhatsApp installer. Okay, and just give that a moment. It's going to go through and check all your system requirements. I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, and that is now done. As you can kind of see here on the screen, it has gone through, it's downloaded and installed the WhatsApp application, which you can see right here. We can click on the get started, and it's going to ask you to be setting up WhatsApp on your computer. You scan the QR code and then you are good to go. And so once you scan the QR code with your WhatsApp from your mobile device, you'll be able to log into WhatsApp on your Windows 11 computer. If this worked for you, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you in the next one.